in the Summer Olympic Games in the year 1968. He has to find the famous runner Mamo Wolde.
Where am I? I am in the Summer Olympic Games in the year 1968. I have 3 pieces of the magic staff and I need one more.
When Mamo Wolde is training, he has an injury in the leg. Oh, my leg is broken. Mamo Wolde touches the pen and in this moment, oh, it's magic, I haven't got a pain in my leg. Mamo Wolde can run in the Summer Olympic Games. In this moment, the marathon is started. Another runner wants to kill Mamo Wolde. Alex go to rescue.
Alex to the rescue!
Oh no! Alex pushes the other runner and Mamo Wolde wins the race. When the marathon is finished, Alex meets with Mamo Wolde. Oh, thank you. How can I thank you?
If you like it, keep your pen. Oh yes, I have the 4 pieces of the magic staff. Isildur and Moldin. I'm a novice. Here is your magic staff.
Oh, thank you. It's fantastic.
Give me your magic staff.
Here is prize your to God.
Bye bye, I'm a novice. Isildur and Moldin. Alex and Beethoven. In this chapter, Alex has to find the historical musician Beethoven. Alex has to go to Beethoven's house because he landed in a garden. According to the book, I'm born in the year 1718 and I have to find the famous musician Beethoven. Alex is going to Beethoven's house.
Oh no, I can't buy the piano.
Hello, Mr. Beethoven. Can I help you?
Who are you?
I'm Alex, the shopkeeper. They started speaking and Beethoven touched his pen and soon Alex gives offer to Beethoven.
Thank you, Alex, because tomorrow I have a concert and I'm very nervous. If I don't play the piano well, the walls will kill me.
Alex helped him. Beethoven touched fantastic the piano.
What do you want?
I want your pen, please.
Okay, here you are.
Isildur and Moldin.
Thank you very much. Now I have all the stuff complete.
You are welcome.
Isildur and Moldin. Alex and Einstein. Alex is in the roof of a house. I have 3 pieces of stuff. I need one more. Now I am in Ulm in the 19th century and I have to find the inventor Einstein. Einstein has a problem inventing things. Oh no, I can't finish the invention. Einstein needs an ingredient to finish the invention. Alex gives the ingredients to Einstein. I have the battery. Yuppie, the stuff is here. Now I have the cover.
Alex and Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton is in the school. I can't finish the exam. I forget everything. He takes the pen and he remembers everything and he studies very fast and one opponent throws paper balls. Alex to the rescue!
Thank you, Alex.
Here you are the 4 pieces of stuff. Isildur and Moldin.
Thank you. Now I have the 4 staff. Isildur and Moldin.
Alex and Da Vinci. Alex is Indula molding and land a liter full of paint.
I'm reading the book that I am Anciano in the year 1455.
Oh, I can't finish the paint.
Oh, the magic stuff is the paintbrush.
Da Vinci touched the paintbrush.
Oh, I got it.
Da Vinci hasn't got finished on time and the King of Italy will kill him.
I'm going to rescue. Can I take your paintbrush, please?
Yes, of course. And Alex rescued from the King of Italy. In that moment, Camina Benoist.
Alex, thank you for taking the 4 pieces of stuff. Here you are.
Thank you.
Isidora Moody.
Then disappeared.
Alex and Michael Jackson. In this chapter, Alex has Michael Jackson.
It's 1983 and I'm in love. I think Michael Jackson, the famous singer.
Oh no! I have a problem with the sound.
Alex tapped the microphone and remembered all the songs.
Oh yes, I remember the song. Now to the concert.
The microphone! The microphone is magic!
The sax of the roof starts lighting now. Alex poses Michael Jackson outside of the star.
Be careful with the sound, Michael Jackson!
Oh, thank you very much, Alex. How can I thank you?
You can give me the microphone, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Isidora Moody! Here you are, amigos. The 4 piece of the magic stuff. Thank you, Alex. Here you are, reward. Thank you. Bye-bye.